Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I have shown you 2003 year paper. In this video, I am going to tell you some important points and important topics and mass distribution. So, before starting the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and please follow this video till end. So let's start. So first of all, here I have shown you some important chapters of maths. This is from ninth also and 10th also. Okay, so here linear equation, two variable, quadratic equation, arithmetic progress, application of trigonometry, coordinate geometry, similarity of triangles, Pythagorean theorem, strategies, statistics and properties. So here I have shown you 2 year paper, right? 2003 and 2002 and 2003. So maybe you get ideas about that. From this chapter only the questions are coming. Okay, so from here these chapters are means you have to focus on this chapter. These chapters are important. This From this chapter questions only come. Basically I can tell you from this chapter the questions are coming will come. Okay, so second is physics. Here also reflection in plane and curved mirror, reflection, glass slab, reflective index, electricity, magnetism, magnetic effect of current, light, force, law of motion, work and energy and power. From this chapter only question come. You have seen the paper of 2 year paper, so maybe you get some ideas. Okay, so see here, these are important topics. And in chemistry, metals and non-metals, carbon and compounds, chemical reactions and equations, acid, base and salt, atoms and molecules, structure of atom, periodic classification of elements. See, you can see this which of these chapter I'm showing the important topics. From this only the question come. Okay, here biology, life process, heredity, how do organism reproduce. So the life process chapter is so big, heredity also, and how do organism produce. Please study these topics. These topics are important. Okay, here now marks. So the mathematics 30 marks. Okay, so from this mathematics 22 questions come. Okay, so geometry 60 to 7 questions from this chapter. Mensuration 4 to 5 questions from this chapter. Polynomials 3 to 4 questions from this chapter. Number system 3 to 4 questions in this chapter. Trigonometry 2 to 3 questions from this chapter. Trigonometry, I think so it is compulsory in all entrance exam. Trigonometry's question is there. Okay, okay, so here science now. In this math 22 questions are coming. Science 50 marks. Physics light 3 to 4 questions. Electricity 3 to 4 questions. Gravitational 3 to 2 questions. 2 to 3 questions. Motions 2 to 3 questions. Sound 2 to 3 questions. Okay, from this chapter 12 to 14 questions are coming. Chemistry, compound, carbon and compound, metals and non-metals, atoms and molecules, acids, base and solid and sound. So here carbon and compounds 3 to 4 questions are coming from this chapter. Metals and non-metals 3 to 4 questions. If you see the 10-year previous paper, you will really get the idea that from these chapters the question is coming. I'm not telling that you have to just learn these chapters only. You have to study all chapters, but I'm telling this important topics only. These are the important topics that you have to focus on these chapters. Okay, here biology, diversity in living organism, life process, reproduction, control and coordination, tissues, life, fundamental units of life. From this biology 12 to 14 questions are coming. Indo-Islamic culture. In the Indo-Islamic culture, you will learn previous history, Asian history, about Brahmins and Muslims, Prophet, Quran, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, about Urdu poets. Okay, Indo-Islamic, I recommend you Nas Guide. Okay, you can learn from Nas Guide. It is the best guide. Okay, and general knowledge. According to me, general knowledge, Indian polite sports, current affairs, books and author. Books and author means like about the book. Like I have shown in the previous year paper that in which paper 2002, that about who written India Wins Freedom, right? Awards and honor, who get Bharat Ratan Award, right? Here I have shown you this, how much marks from which chapter, right? So here are the important topics and questions I have shown you. Okay, in the Islamic also you can gain the marks. I have told you in the previous video that negative marking is very hard. So in negative marking, what they will do, if you have done all questions and from that many questions are wrong, right? Many questions are wrong, so it will which answers, if you have done correct also, that will also become wrong, because which you have make wrong, these questions can be, it will be wrong, because there is negative marking. So I will tell you according to my experience. I also have given entrance, so I have also get negative marking. So I will tell you that which questions you have learned correctly and you have no answer. Very means it is right, this answer is correct, that okay. So you have to do that questions only. If you do not know the answer of other questions, like first paper is maths, then second is science, and then Indo-Islamic and general knowledge, all are mixed, right? So it is depend on that AMU who made it's depend on the teachers who made this paper. Okay, what they put first. If you know maths very nicely and you can do it, so you have to do that. Okay, in science some questions you do not know, please don't do it, or don't like okay just like this only I will get marks. No, if you do not know, leave the place. Afterwards you can do it. You can do you can solve the all questions what you know. Okay, what you know perfectly, which question you know perfectly, you have to do first. Then which question you do not know, leave it. Otherwise you there will be negative marking. Okay, because if negative marking is really there now, whatever, it's so hard, they will just cut marks negative, they will give you negative marking. So I am recommending you that please, if you do not know the questions, leave it. Do not try to do it. After all you have solved the questions of physics, math and Indo-Islamic, which question you have not solved, then think. If you know the answer, you can do it. Okay, now thank you for seeing my video, thank you for watching my video. Bye.